Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make very good scrambled eggs. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs per person into a bowl. For extra creaminess, add 1 tablespoon of whole milk or cream for every 2 eggs. Whisk the mixture vigorously until it's uniformly yellow and slightly frothy. This aeration is key for a light texture. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted and slightly foamy, pour in your egg mixture. The key here is gentle, consistent stirring. Use a rubber spatula to slowly push the cooked egg from the bottom and sides towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue cooking and folding until the eggs are mostly set, but still look visibly moist and slightly runny. This is crucial for a creamy texture. Remove the pan from the heat and continue folding the eggs for about 30 seconds. The residual heat will gently finish cooking them, preventing overcooking and ensuring they remain wonderfully soft. Finally, season your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serving them hot is essential to fully appreciate their delicate texture and rich flavor. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some fresh chives or parsley. Enjoy your incredibly delicious and creamy scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.